everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to share 3 healthy, easy, quick breakfast recipes. The recipes are nutritious, they're easy to make, and absolutely delicious. So let's hop right into it. First up is this coffee protein smoothie that will give you that satisfying energy boost in the morning. To start off, I am making a coffee. You can also make a decaf coffee or a decaf espresso shot if you don't want to have any caffeine in your smoothie. Add about 1 frozen banana to your blender. Half an avocado for healthy fats. I always try to add some type of veggie or fat to a smoothie to balance out the sugars from the fruit. Add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter or any other nut butter. Add 1 cup of almond milk or any other plant-based milk and add vanilla protein powder. My favorite is this one from Ritual. It is the only protein powder that doesn't upset my stomach and tastes amazing. It is completely vegan and plant-based. And there you go. This creamy, delicious coffee smoothie is one of my new favorites. It is absolutely delicious. Next up is this whipped ricotta toast with homemade chia seed jam. It is honestly so easy to make. I am never going back to store-bought jam. You can make this in advance and store it in the fridge up to 5 days and use it in different type of ways. Add a saucepan on a small skillet to low to medium heat. Add frozen raspberries or blueberries in the pan. It is better to use frozen fruits rather than fresh because it has more liquids and it will be easier to absorb by the chia seeds, which will get this better texture. I'm adding some maple syrup for extra sweetness. You can always add more if you want to feel the jam needs to be a little more sweet. Stir the fruits until soft for a couple minutes and turn off the heat. Add about 2 tablespoons of chia seed and let it all absorb. The chia seed will help give the sauce a jam texture. Add it to a bowl and let it cool down in the fridge. You can store it in a jar up to 5 days and use on yogurts or toast or anything you like. Then let's make the whipped ricotta. Add the fresh ricotta to a small blender. The fresher the ricotta, the better it whips. Then add a splash of olive oil, add a pinch of salt and mix for a couple minutes. The texture will look something like this, a beautiful whip right here. Toast your bread for a couple of minutes until they're nice and crunchy. Add a generous amount of ricotta to the toast and add the homemade jam on top. This breakfast is perfectly balanced with healthy fibers, good protein from the ricotta, and vitamins from the fruit. It's the perfect balance between savory and sweet, if you ask me. For our third recipe today, we're going to make Turkish eggs with a twist. If you have sugar cravings throughout the day or need a protein-rich breakfast, a savory breakfast dish might be a good option for you. We often see once we start our day with savory foods, our blood sugar levels stay more stable throughout the day, which means less energy crashes and less sugar cravings. We're going to start sauteing some veggies. I'm using asparagus today, but use anything you have. Add a little olive oil to the pan and saute for a couple of minutes. Then let's make our Greek yogurt mixture. Cut up 1 garlic clove finely and add it to the Greek yogurt. Make sure to use a thick yogurt that is about room temperature and add some salt and spread it on a plate. Then in a small pan, bring water to boil. Add some vinegar and poach 2 eggs. Then we're going to start plating, so we're adding the eggs and the veggies to the Greek yogurt. For our last step, grab a small saucepan and add some olive oil and some paprika powder. If you want, you can also add some chili to make it a little bit spicy or get a little kick. Warm up the oil, but make sure it doesn't get hot. You want to do this step last. Once it's warm, pour it over the plate and season with some salt and pepper and top with some fresh herbs like dill. And here you go. Your delicious egg dish is ready. Serve it with a slice of bread and scoop it up and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's cooking video. If you're recreating the breakfast recipes, then don't forget to tag me. I always love seeing it. I love reposting it. If you want to find more recipes, then you can download my app Soul Sync Body. On here you find breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and dessert recipes. You find full tutorials, all the macronutrients, everything you need to set yourself up for an amazing meal. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel here, and I will see you guys very soon.